Hello everyone. We are going to another experiment named to isolate microorganism by stick plate method. These are the petri plates of nutrient agar which are already autoclaved. This is inoculating loop which will be used for stacking the culture. First of all, keep the inoculating loop into the burning flame of a burner until it gets proper red hot. And just wait to reduce the temperature of the loop or allow it to cool down. Now take the petri plate over the burning flame of burner, but it is not mandatory. This is the bacterial culture for the stick plate method. This one is 24-hour-old culture in any nutrient broth. Sterilize the mouth of flask by using burning flame of burner. After that, take some culture by using the sterilized inoculating loop. Now this loop is full of bacteria. Now we will go for the stacking like this. It's a kind of continuous stacking process. Watch it very carefully. It's a continuous stacking process or method. Cover the stacking petri plate by another cover. It will be fine to sterilize the inoculating loop by using burning flame burners because it was full of bacteria. Now it is time to labeling the petri plate with date. After that, we will have to incubate this plate at 37 degree centigrade temperature for 24 hours. Later, we will go for checking the proper growth of bacteria. Before this, cover the petri plate by using parafilm. After 24 hours later or incubation period, we will go for the checking of isolate microbial colony. These are the microbial colony which was done by stick plate method. From here, take a colony and go for the another process. Okay, thank you very much. Stay safe and happy.